guys ever watch River Monster?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
That guy's nuts.
Yeah.
Comes up with all kinds of different jigs and rigs. Yeah, look at all those scanners. That's the one I was talking about. 15 in the clutch. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. One of them's got his mom too. When they stretch their wings like that, they're not quite adults. You know, they've still got the little chicken wings. They're working on themselves. They'll be flying before we know it.
Yeah, they don't have much time.
Yep. Yeah, they'll be out of here soon enough.
Yeah, river monsters. The guy goes, oh, there's a story here about a 200-pound fish that can eat your arm off. We're going to get in the water up to our waist and see if we can catch one.
Yeah.
I'm like, what kind of idiot are you?
Yeah, and he fishes. He's crazy. He'll catch a, 2-foot catfish and stick it on a hook and have that as a bait when he fishes for those big things, you know?
Yeah.
I'm not sure where the mergansers go. I know they like, they like to stay in the fresh water. So, I'm sure it's not too far south of here.